Hi girls. Okay. As you all know, kakak bawa Sheena bawa ni Turbanista. Okay, Turbanista of sweat Turbanista. Siapa yang dah purchase, okay, this tutorial is for you all yang dah purchase tapi tak tahu nak pakai macam mana. Okay, so today I am going to teach you how personally how to use it. Alright, so okay, this is if you can see, okay, this side, one side is straight and the other side is curving. Okay, you can see, right? It's curving. This side, okay, one side curving and one side straight. So what you do, the curving part, you masukkan dekat dalam serkup you. Okay, one thing, first thing first, I like to use inner inside. Okay, my inner I like to be firm. So whatever, if you have inner yang you buat siput ke whatsoever, it's all up to you. Okay, but it does look nice if you have a big bun inside. So what I do, the curved side, okay, if you see the curved side, nampak tak? Okay, this curved side I will put behind. Okay, I will put behind like this. If you can see, kalau korang nak pakai macam gini pun boleh lah. Okay, kalau if you can see the sewing part here in the center, you make it in the center. Okay, sampai mana you nak cover. Alright, so I will just put up to here because that is the only part I want to cover. And you hold these two. It's so easy, girls. Just hold these two. You can see. Okay, you got the shape there. Okay, you just hold these two and then you twist it. Alright, you twist it. For me, I like double twist. Okay, I like double twist, and I will just put it inside here. Okay, you just serkup dalam. After that, so easy peasy lah this one. Nampak tak? I'm sure you girls can do it. So, korang betul-betulkan lah sikit. Alright? Korang betulkan. Ikut cita rasa masing-masing. How you want it to be. Korang nak nitik ke, korang nak thin ke. And after that, kalau ada yang balance-balance, korang masukkan lah. And then, there. It's ready, girls. Right? See, it's ready. So, kalau korang tak nak nampak pearls banyak, korang terbalikkan. Tapi kalau korang nak nampak pearls banyak, you just twist it. Okay? You twist it and make it like that. See, tak sampai 1 minit. Okay lah, within 3 minutes it's done. Alright? Okay, this is so comfortable. It's wet, but it's very comfortable. Okay, it's very comfortable and it's very smooth. So and stretchable as well. So you all pakai ni. Kalau you all tak faham juga, you come to my shop. Okay, at TKC 0318. Alright. Okay, now I still have a few more colors. Okay. So kalau korang nak purchase pun, you just call me or message me. Kan? It's so easy. Okay, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate, just call me, or if you want to try it out, you can come down to the shop. Tak beli pun tak apa, just try it out. The new Turbanista. Okay, bye.